see how we alone. Look how hard we try, nobody here we cry. Them not care for you for we alone. Been through the storm, when the rain is up, we saw no one, we alone.
Hey guys, so it's a brand new day, brand new vlog. Hope you guys are enjoying the vlog so far. I haven't been doing too much. Music literally keep making plans every day that we want to go here, we want to go there, but with his work schedule it makes it really hard. And then weekends, literally almost every weekend we've had an event, some kind of family function to go to. Like it's been, this month has been crazy. It's been super crazy. Like we even wanted to go to, we went to bring Nala to the zoo, we went to go to Ripley's, we went to go to this other place, just me and him. But we're gonna try to work something out because, you know, we don't want it to just be like literally it's just work every day, and we're not enjoying life, enjoying the moment, living in the moment, because yo, life is so short and people are literally passing away left, right, and center. It's crazy. It's like really crazy. Highly recommend that you guys enjoy your moment, go out, take a breather, enjoy life, make the best of it, because tomorrow's not promised. Okay guys, and always pray. Always pray. I always say this, always pray no matter what. Yeah, so today we're just here. Nala's in here with me because she didn't want to stay with Shauna, but I'm just here about to do a little facial routine, wash my face. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but if you guys watched some of my previous vlogs before, my skin was literally breaking out so bad. But now my skin is clearing up, and I did say that I was gonna test something out. And I believe it's been a month or two since I've been testing out this product, and I said I'm gonna share it with you guys. How I came across these products was I actually saw it on TikTok. Yep, TikTok made me buy this again. And I said, let me actually try it out because I saw people were getting results. I did my own research before I went and bought these products. I'm always doing my research before I go and buy like products when it comes to skin or my hair. So now that I've actually tried it out and I've seen results, I said let me come and share with you guys. Some of you guys probably already use this product, some of you guys probably don't, but I like it so far. It's been working for my skin. I haven't breaking out from it. I know some people did say they broke out, so this is just what's been working for me, and I'm sharing with you. Do your research, as I always say, because what may work for me may not work for you. Yeah, so what have I been using on my skin? Okay, so for my, first of all, I want to introduce you guys to this new facial brush that I added to my facial routine. So I have two facial brushes that I use. I have my actual spin brush that I use. I don't use that brush every day just because it can be too much for my skin, because I do have sensitive skin, so I don't use it every day. I use it maybe like 3 times a week, sometimes 2, just depending on how my skin is feeling. I've been going in with my Sonic facial brush. This doesn't look like a facial brush, right? It literally looks like something else. Everyone that has come in my room and seen this, they're like, Nisha, why do you have that out in the open? Because they're thinking it's something else, and I'm like, you guys get your mind out the gutter, because it's not. Get your mind out the gutter. This is a facial brush that I got from a company called Duvolle. I'm pretty sure you guys seen it if you ever watched my vlogs. So this is the brand Duvolle. Like I said, this is their Sonic facial brush. I like this brush because it's really gentle on the skin, and for someone who has sensitive skin, I like this because it's not overdoing anything to my skin. It's not ruining my skin. Like I said, it's really soft and it vibrates as well. It has like 4 different modes if I'm not mistaken. So I just go in with this every morning. I just use it with my facial cleanser every morning, and sometimes at night if I need to, and that's all I've been really using on my skin. I try not to use too much different stuff on my skin just because, like I said, my skin is sensitive, so I try to keep it as simple as possible. I haven't had any issue with this brush, and I like how compact it is. It's really compact and easy to put away. Literally can travel with this. I like brushes that where you can travel with because it's just convenient. And the next thing about this is that it also comes with a USB charger cord which charges it, which I also like, so I don't have to worry about like having to buy batteries and all that stuff. I literally can just use my phone charger, like the Q part, plug this in, charge this up, and I'm good to go. And so it has, that's one. Oh wait, sorry, that's the on button. Sorry, that's the on button. Then you have a plus, and you have a minus. No, sorry, you have a plus, and then you have a minus, so to change the speed. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. It literally sounds like do, re, mi, fa, do, re, mi, fa. Yeah, that's 4. Yeah, and then you can just turn it off, and it also has a blue light so you know if it's like on. The vibration frequency can reach 6,000 to 12,000 times per minute. It has low frequency impulse, can promote the blood circulation in wrinkle prone area and help restore skin firmness and elasticity. The high frequency impulse can remove dirt, grease, and residue. And it's also made with food grade silicone that is easy to clean, dries quickly, and will not breed bacteria. If you guys are interested in trying this out and you're looking for something to use on your skin other than those facial brush, highly recommend you try this. You guys can check out the description box for direct link to this facial brush. And if I have a discount code, I'll also put it down there. But yeah, I'm just gonna go in right now and just do my morning facial routine. Oh yeah, so this is the product I said I was using, my facial cleanser. I've been going in with this. You've been using it for 2 months and I haven't had any issue. They have this one and they have another one that has salicylic acid, but this product literally sells out so quick. So if you can get your hands on it, I think you can go to Walmart, Shoppers, Target probably has it. You can get it on Amazon, but I got mine at Walmart. The only thing I wanted to get with this is the moisturizer, but it's sold out everywhere. Literally sold out.
You guys to come from like early. I don't know. We tried.
No, yeah, we left here literally at 2. We got up, we got them dressed.
That's not early. Who is not early? Don't get me.
So guys, this is the end that loves to cuss us.
I'm not cussing. I speak the truth, but they don't like it.
Open your eyes when you're talking to me.
The truth hurt, but it's not safe.
Look at me. Not away from me.
Who for? You for? That's how you said it. That's not me. Bro. Shireen. No, Shireen. Oh my God. No, Shireen. Shireen. No. That smell like it bad gas more than the long part. No. No, Shireen, that come out of broad body. Shanique was the first one. Shanique was the first one. I smelled it before when it went away. It was you. She smelled it, and then as soon as she got up, it smelled better. Isn't that hand sanitizer? No.
Watch the food.
Not one. I don't like it. It says natural, but it makes me cough. So yeah, Christ.
Thanks.
Oh my God, Shana, man, you need to wash out. May have some Senapod. Bro, whoever do that, they need to check their pants. Get outside, I'm going to check your pants.
Oh my God, Nana.
Shanique, that exactly. Are you sure, sir? Sir, let me say for Nyla Pooh.
There's not Nyla.
It's Nathaniel, where is he? What's the tonic bomb? That's a what?
Tonic bomb.
But I didn't know say no, them big words.
That smells really bad.
Especially, are you? What about you turn around?
So what's lifestyle It was you.
The
smell.
smell hit you when she
It went around.
Yes. Yes. No, I don't laugh too hard. You know I am prepared. Yeah? Mama said, wait, tell me.
Mama, what you say, Mama? What you say?
To be free.
Because he killed me.
So they had to belly the other side. And take time walk away like you don't know.
Exactly, and that's what Shanique did. She took her time and walked away.
And she felt guilty. She tried to ear her bottom. Okay, the first time I smelled it, and then it went away.
So that means the first time you dealt it.
No! Still smelling.
She said so dainty, fart.
Too fast, I love do so.
It's farts. It's farts, mama, not farts.
Fart.
If you don't catch it by yourself, then nobody will know you.
Mama say you must poop. She say you must poop and play it off.
Freeze.
You're still smelling it?
Yes. Still stinks. Mama said if it's perfume.
It's fart spray. That's fart spray.
What?
Fart spray. Poop spray. Poop.
So the name poop in your fat.
Fart spray.
You understand?
Can't believe Shana, you wicked girl. You make people think say everybody have what they say.
What you thought about here? You thought old age catch you? You think old age catch you?
Old age can't catch anybody.
You make one slip out.
You don't have to be old for farts. When you know to come out, me say what I gym.
Look at her covering her water. Is it you?
Not me.
No. String.
Are you fart?
How's it mean?
Hey, you have something in your pocket. You have something in your pocket. They put you on the stand.
No.
Yes, you do. Take care of their pocket. You're the one that's doing it. You have something in your pocket. No. Put on everything. You don't have something. Cause that said them never seen no before.
Are you?
That said, oh my God.
Virgil!
Get out of here.
No, move, Virgil! Move! You're nasty. That is a sin. It's a sin. Are you?
No,
Are
sir.
you in your poop?
China,
This is him. This is what the man look like. If you see him in the public, run.
What kind of?
Run.
What kind of said that? No, sir. Come out and answer me that. Are you a part of the place? You know what I mean?
You.
Are you a part of the
You.
place? No?
We heard your poop go against the leather.
If I fart, you drop dead.
Yeah, and I'm ready to drop dead right now.
No, don't worry. There's a close hospital close by. Fart, you drop dead.
This is the man that we're speaking to right now. This is how he looks when he's well groomed. Don't mind his appearance right now and the messy stain on his shirt. This is his beautiful wife. Who is this?
My father.
This is his dad. This is Sophia.
No, that's Sherry when she was a younger.
You know, typical Jamaican always love to take picture beside the bush. Oh, that's me.
But to end off the vlog, before I go, I have some shout outs to give, and I also wanted to give you guys a quick update on the give back. So you guys remember I raised money for the give back for the family in Jamaica. I know I haven't given you guys an update, but it's because there were some technical difficulties with sending the money back home, picking it up, all that stuff, but we got everything figured out. I finally got an update to give you guys. So the lady, she collected the money and she also sent us a thank you video. Yes, us, everybody, the whole newbie fam gang. She sent us a thank you video and she also sent us a video getting the stuff. I'm going to be inserting it in this vlog. You guys will see shortly. Again, I just want to send a special thank you guys for those of you who supported, those of you who wanted to support. I will be doing more in the near future. Like, this is something that you guys should already know, like, that Ziggy and I are passionate about. We're always trying to help people. Yeah, so, you know, you guys can, whenever I'm doing them, you guys will know, because I'll always mention it in my vlogs. But yeah, so big thank you to you guys who contributed towards it. You know, really appreciate it. Big up yourself, Polly, as well, for organizing everything, holding it down while we're over here. Yeah, so I'm gonna insert the clip right now.
Good afternoon, newbie fans. This is Diana and Miss Dorothy Polly.
Okay, I'm handing over the envelope to Diana. Sorry,
It's for the donation that she asked for in regards to her child back to school. So we're sending this video to appreciate and to show that she actually received it. Thank you.
I want to say good afternoon to everybody. My name is Diana, and I thank Polly for helping me out with the kids to send this donation for them for the back to school. And I thank everybody very much. And when I use it, Nisha and Ziggy, when I use this, I will video everything and send to you what I buy. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day. Okay, good evening again, Trisha and Ziggy. I just want to say I went to Brownstown in St. Anne's and I buy some things. I buy 2 shoes, one for my son and one for my daughter. And I buy some bathing rags and some panties. Thank you so much for helping me. And to Polly, I thank her very much too. And I'm happy for everything. And I don't want to put my kids on the camera, so I'm just telling thank you for them. And I wish you all the best. And I want you to continue to do your good work. And it's from my heart. God bless you every time. All right. Thanks, Polly.
Yeah, man, you're welcome.
Yeah, so literally after I got the clips, I wanted to cry. Like, just watching that video and to know that you helped someone, it literally made me so emotional. So yeah, again, big up your guys' self, and thank you so much for contributing towards that. With the remaining money that's left over, we are gonna either buy school supplies and hand them out to some of the kids in the community, or we might be helping another family. We're just waiting to get more information on that family, but again, I'll keep you guys updated. I know it's probably nice to know like what's going on, or like where did your money go towards, so I'll do that for you guys. And also, before I go, I just want to give a quick shout out. I have some shout outs to do. I think I have 2. So I want to give a big shout out to the DW family. They're a family-based YouTube channel, and they're filled with vlogs, challenges, pranks, and much more. Make sure you guys go over and subscribe to their channel. Show them some love. Let them know that the newbie fam sent you guys over there. It doesn't hurt to subscribe to other people's channel. Again, you know, you guys are always welcome to drop your channel names down below and follow each other, grow with each other. And then I have one more shout out to give. So the last shout out it goes to Really Taya's Life. So with this YouTube channel, they give off like a more natural vibes. They offer try-on hauls, they have vlogs, they have vacation vlogs, they have Jamaica vlogs, ooh, they have cooking vlogs, and they also have family vlogs. So make sure you guys go over and subscribe to her channel. Let them know that Newbie Fam sent you guys over there. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Don't forget to check out the description box for the product information that was mentioned in this vlog. And don't forget to join the Newbie Fam. I think I said that just now, but yeah, I'm out. Why are you so annoying? Ooh! She in try-on haul?
Nisha, I was actually thinking that.
She in try-on haul. This one's loading though, because I have the same one in gray. I want to see them. Okay, anyways guys, we out!
Yeah, we cry. Them not care for you, over we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one.